morning I taste your soups and stews. I watch you work, don't know what to do. Standing here beside your station with this funny hesitation. What am I afraid of? Can I taste your love? Will you let me taste your love? Will you let me? Can I taste your love? Sweet and salty, that's how it goes. The way you cook, it makes me feel close. You ask me what I think about the spices that you sprinkle out. How can I tell